When I moved into my new house, everything seemed perfect. But one thing became clear pretty quickly. My neighbor, HOA Karen. She thought she owned the entire neighborhood. And then one day she did something I never saw coming. Karen decided to fill my creek with cement. She thought she'd teach me a lesson. But what she didn't realize is that she was sealing her own fate. The cement started blocking the flow of water, and slowly that same water flooded her basement. People were laughing, some were shocked. But everyone was saying one thing: nature always strikes back. And when Karen's basement turned into a fish tank and, with fish swimming around, her pride and arrogance sank right along with it. The lesson? Never mess with nature, because what you try to do to others will eventually come back around to you.